Good morning, all of you. Today, let us discuss circular motion. So, simply put, if a body is moving in a circular path, it is said to be in circular motion. So, we will classify our circular motion as broadly two types. One is uniform circular motion or UCM, and the other is non uniform circular motion. So, let us take a look at uniform circular motion. When a body moves in a circular path, when a body moves in a circular path with uniform speed or with constant speed, it is said to be in uniform circular motion. So take a look at the body here. This body is moving in a circular path and the speed of this body is also constant. Okay. See, when it is going around in a circle, its speed is constant. So this body is said to be in uniform circular motion. Let us look at some characteristics of uniform circular motion. The first is the speed of the body modulus v bar is constant. So v bar is velocity, modulus v bar is speed. So the speed of the body is constant. So you can see this body here, the arrow which we are drawing here, it represents the velocity vector. As you can see, the length of this vector is constant. The length of this arrow is not changing. So we can say that the speed of this body is constant. The second thing is the velocity of the body v bar is changing. Again, this is a velocity vector. You can see that its direction is continuously changing. So what we can say is that the velocity of a body in circular motion is changing. Let us look at two other characteristics of uniform circular motion. The first is modulus of acceleration is constant, which means the magnitude of acceleration is constant, and the next is acceleration vector is changing. We will look at these two in detail. For now, I want you to remember these two. You can see here that the velocity vector is going on changing in direction. So we can say that the body possesses acceleration. So we can conclude that in uniform circular motion, the speed of the body is constant, and next the velocity of the body is changing as its direction is changing. Next, the magnitude of acceleration is constant and the acceleration vector is changing. So I want you to remember these 4 points in uniform circular motion. Next, let us take a look at non-uniform circular motion. In non-uniform circular motion, the speed of the body is changing. See, this is a basic definition. The speed of the body is changing. So as speed changes with time, we can also say that velocity is not constant, right? The next two characteristics are acceleration is changing and the acceleration vector also changes with time. See, we will look at these two in detail while studying acceleration. For now, just remember that the basic definition of non-uniform circular motion is that the speed of the body which is in circular motion changes with time. See, this arrow here represents the velocity vector, right? So the length of the arrow is increasing. So you can say that the speed of this body is increasing plus the direction is also changing. So both speed and velocity are changing in non-uniform circular motion. To understand rectilinear motion, we had discussed displacement, velocity, acceleration, right? So now to understand circular motion, we will discuss angular variables. These angular variables are angular displacement, angular velocity, angular acceleration. So we will now move on to discuss these quantities so as to understand circular motion.